Furnishing your short-term rental. Smart renovations. This is my vinyl seawall getting installed after Hurricane Matthew took out my old wooden one. Age is just a number. Our 60-year-old Keys home looks as current and modern as any other home, simply because we did smart and timely renovations. My South Carolina home is almost 40 years old, and while it doesn't look as young, it also doesn't look old. Make incremental changes each and every year to keep downtime and cost to a minimum. But sometimes you'll need to do things like new flooring, which is considered a major upgrade. LVT, or luxury vinyl tile, should be the only flooring considered in a short-term rental. This is due to its durability. Same with countertops. Quartz should be the only thing you looked at. One and done for repairs. These are the most durable things that you'll never have to worry about replacing. Remember, if you have tile in bathrooms, use a dark grout to keep things better, because light-colored grout will simply show dirt and get darker in the high-traffic areas, thus making it unsightly. All of the lighting, both in and outside of your home, should be LED. And inside of your home, all of the K values should be the same. K stands for Kelvin, a heat rating. 2700 to 3000 is considered a warm tone, but it has an orange tinge to it. 5000 to 7000 is considered cool and a bright white color that I think is often too bright to be inside. It almost looks hospital-like. It's fine to use outside though. 4000 is a popular compromise as it isn't orange and it isn't overbearing. An easy way to update a home is simply replace lights or fans. And with only 3 color wires and a switch to ensure it's off, you don't have to be an electrician to replace one. Just ensure that the switch is off and match the 3 color wires. Also, there are companies that recoat showers and tubs for a fraction of the cost of replacing one. So if you have a shower that has damage, it's worn, discolored, they can be recoated. Now, if it's too dated, they can be replaced with these shower kits, which makes replacement a little more cost effective. Some of you have seen those old pink tile bathrooms. Guess what? They need to be updated. If you're ever on the fence about deciding if you should add a hot tub, add the hot tub. Period. I've mentioned it before, and I'll mention it again. They will drive up bookings, and you'll get some more money with each booking as well. Some people think that they are too much work. I totally disagree. They're worth the investment. Talk to your CPA or financial planner and see if there's any more state or federal tax credits available for adding solar panels or installing a Tesla or EV charger. Pool heating can add up to $350 a week to a booking in the spring or fall. In about 2 years, you can recoup your investment by extending your season. A saltwater pool also uses less chemicals, which will save you money, along with a more favorable swimming environment as it is easier on your skin. Investing in a kayak rack allows you to look professional and neat. Polywood rockers and Adirondack chairs are good long-term investments. Always look for used ones if at all possible.